Hi George. Well, as you know, we were doing our pot, an animal pot. I choose a cat and you choose a pig. So I'm not going to be able to give you class tomorrow. So let's finish the project here, and that's all. What are we going to do? And on Thursday, you can log in with the fourth grade students to participate in the custom context. So we have our pot here, and what we're going to do is that we're going to put sand on it. Okay, so let's do it. Pour sand in the pot, just the half, until the half, just the half, George, and we add our seeds. Depend what you bought, you're going to add some seeds. Let's see. Cannot open this yet. So you add some seeds. You add some seeds and you add more dirt. You add more dirt to the pot. You add it, add more to fill it up. Like this. And there you have it. So now you need to water, put it in the sun, and all that stuff. But you have your pot with dirt, and in a few days, weeks, you're going to see how this grows. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, George, and have a very nice day.